Hello, I'm Dr. James Bogash, expert in health longevity, and today we're going to talk about branched chain amino acids or BCAAs. I've said often that the fitness industry is really rife with misinformation and products that are sold based on really loose evidence or twisted evidence. I remember hydroxycitrate, I believe it was a product that was sold for quite a while, and they were talking about how it had been shown to help with weight loss, which is true, in gram dosages as a meal replacement. So instead of eating a meal, you'd have hydroxycitrate. Hydroxycitrate, I think it was, in maybe 6, 7, 8, 10 grams as a meal replacement. And these supplements were 500 milligrams. So they sold them as a weight loss tool, but in reality, it was not going to work as advertised. And while there was data, and that was true, it was not as used. So there's a lot of other products, the nitric oxide based ones, Explode, and some of those other things that have arginine in them that are probably not working as anticipated in most people. So branched chain amino acids are another powdered supplement. Now, branched chain amino acids are part of the 9 essential amino acids that we need. They include valine, leucine, and isoleucine. And we need them to make muscle because we don't make them ourselves. And so we need these in our diet, and that's the principal component. Branched chain amino acids, the research on it is really pretty dicey. There's not a whole lot of evidence that it really helps build muscle or helps with recovery or mass gain, unless you're really deficient in the first place. So there's maple sugar urine disease, but there is also other wasting diseases, or as we get older, sometimes if we're not taking enough protein, maybe we can take a BCAA to support that. But the thing to understand is that there are also concerns with BCAAs and neurodegeneration, so like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cognitive decline. So this particular review looks at those as a challenge. And basically the take-home message is that if you're supplementing with BCAA, it is highly likely that you don't need them and they're not going to benefit you as much as you think they are, and there may be potential harm to your brain, which is not a good thing. They will increase the rates of certain neurotransmitters, excitatory neurotransmitters. Like, there's been documented challenges with them, even with seizures. So in some cases they can protect, but most often they can actually increase the risk of seizures. So if you're supplementing with BCAA, maybe it's time to take a really hard look. And do you really need them, or should your diet have lots of healthy protein sources in it, which is the answer we should have, rather than taking these as a supplement? As always, I'll post a link to this particular study in the description. Make sure you like this video, share it with somebody who you think needs the information, and subscribe to the channel.